We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Meudeen Air Duster Computer Vacuum Cleaner, a multifunctional device designed for cleaning keyboards, electronics, and small spaces. This product combines the functions of a mini vacuum cleaner, air duster, and air blower into one compact and portable tool. It is powered by a 120-watt motor delivering 5.3 kilopascal cyclone suction at 35,000 revolutions per minute, making it surprisingly powerful for its size. The device is cordless, rechargeable via USB-C, and comes with a set of accessories that allow it to adapt to various cleaning tasks such as vacuuming dust and debris, blowing away particles, and even pumping air for inflatables. Users appreciate the versatility of this tool, noting that it replaces multiple cleaning gadgets and canned air dusters, offering a more cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. The device is particularly praised for its strong airflow, which is sufficient to clean keyboards, desks, computer components, and even car interiors. The included brushes and nozzles enhance its ability to reach tight spaces and stubborn dust deposits. The vacuum chamber is of a practical size, and the HEPA filter is washable and reusable, which simplifies maintenance and prolongs the device's lifespan. The battery life generally lasts around 20 to 25 minutes of continuous use, which some users find limiting during extended cleaning sessions. However, the charging time is relatively short, about 3 to 4 hours, and the device supports USB-C charging, eliminating the need for specialized cables. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to keep on a desk or in a drawer for frequent use. Several users highlight the excellent customer support from the manufacturer, which adds confidence in the product. The device arrives well packaged and ready to use, with clear instructions and all advertised accessories included. It is recommended for anyone who needs a convenient and effective cleaning tool for electronics and small household areas. On the downside, some users report concerns about the durability of certain parts, such as the flap that holds debris inside the vacuum chamber, which may be prone to breaking. A few have experienced motor issues after accidentally operating the vacuum without the filter in place, leading to motor damage that is difficult or impossible to repair due to the device's construction. This underscores the importance of proper maintenance, including regular filter cleaning and replacement when necessary. The device is not intended for heavy-duty cleaning tasks like thoroughly cleaning a car interior for long periods, but it excels in quick, targeted cleaning jobs around the home or office. It is ideal for removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris from keyboards, desks, camera lenses, and other delicate surfaces. In summary, the Meudeen Air Duster Computer Vacuum Cleaner is a practical, efficient, and multifunctional cleaning tool that offers great value for its price. It combines vacuuming, blowing, and pumping capabilities in a compact, portable design with washable filters and strong suction power. While battery life and some durability aspects could be improved, the overall performance and versatility make it a highly recommended gadget for maintaining clean and dust-free electronics and workspaces. We encourage users who own this product to share their experiences in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.